My bad, OG. Ah, and that milk's kind of good. Ain't gonna lie. Okay, so oh wait, no, this. Ah, there we go. Now my brain's catching up. Oh, take those, move these. Oh, they okay. Well, I should lower the poly count. Oh, I was gonna say part count. That too. Does it make you want to butter sock someone on the street? Oh yeah, iCarly style, of course. Now, like, if anybody in here is about to tell me they didn't watch iCarly growing up, and you're not European, we're gonna have a problem. Why are these supposed off? Thank you. Somebody gets the OG. John over here ain't even saying nothing. Okay, OG Ling. Now you're just starting stuff. You're just starting it. You ain't even want to finish it. You just coming here, you know, trying to mess around. We get it. You're a funny prankster, but come on now. Be honest with us. Are you European? Or have you seen it? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Your sister would torture you with every episode. What was that one episode where Spencer just won't stop pranking? Anybody know what I'm talking about? I can't remember. There's like a super like I can't remember how the song goes, but it's just like it's constant. This one song. Think it's you think it's all over. The joke is on you. Yeah. Spencer was crazy good. I love Spencer. Okay, good. Everybody's seen it in here. All right, y'all are all Chads. I love y'all. Y'all are amazing. Move this up. Don't feel like it's challenging enough. Second. Sorry if I'm not reading anything that's showing up. Well, I thought the newest show wasn't that good because when I watched it, I didn't like it. I didn't like the newer one. Everything felt forced. You know what I mean? Like I'm not trying to have like an underlying meaning behind that. I'm just saying it all felt forced, by the way. I don't know, it felt like that would have been true to what the characters would have been like. New never beats old. That is something all producers have to get. Yeah, I know. The only bad thing is with what's his name? Is it Dan Schneider? His name is that did the old ones. It's the creep. Yeah, it did lose the magic. That's what it was. It doesn't have that like that zing to it. Like the first couple episodes were cool. Then after that, it was. I didn't even make it to where Neville's in the show. I didn't even get that far. Hey, what the? What is the thing that's on the ground here? There we go. Who is Danny Daddy? Did I miss an episode, guys? Oh, I almost forgot to put the wave back in. That'd have been bad for that map. Part and C0. Oh, okay. Okay, now, how do I make this map more challenging? Because this map is pretty challenging within itself because I think, what is it? Let me check out what percentage our players are on mobile on this game. First of all, I'm about to pull up the stats and just show everybody. I gotta get off revenue though, because the revenue ain't doing too good. Engagement. Okay, so if we go to platform, streams, I can see comments. Try to snap totals together, hold shift while dragging with the arrows. Wait, what? Try to snap two objects together, hold arrow. What? Well, hold shift while dragging with the arrows. You have to have collisions on. Join services. If I do this, so you have to hold shift before? Or? Oh, okay. Oh, okay then. I know what was going on for a second. Alright, anyway, session count. Our number of sessions is highest on mobile. This is probably a normal day. So let's see, what's the total here? What day is this? January. One 1132. Already got the other number. 866. 86. So 76%, rounded 77 are mobile players. So yeah, should be good like that. On the ground, Big Rusty should be good. Centerstone is way too easy of a map. I'm gonna have to make it some sort of an obstacle course. Eight. Alright, now how do we make this an obby, boys? How do we turn this into an obby? I've only made one obby my entire life, and it was just reworking a free model. Not even gonna lie about it. Oh, I want to burp milk right now. I thought that other one was... Okay, so 3.5 hit pods, so we'll just go to 3. And we'll just lower it 3 every time. Since you can double jump, I think we're gonna remove double jump in this game. Make it like more of a paid feature. Anyway, so I'm not too worried about our double jump feature interfering with anything. I'm gonna do this on every side now. Oh, I gotta pull this in a little bit. Make it match up. How far was that? 8, 7, 1 stud. Whoa. There we go. Is there anything that I'm missing this week with Roblox news? Anybody know anything that I missed? Because I'm gonna be completely honest, I haven't kept up to date with what's going on for the past week. this. Now, how do we make this harder without absolutely destroying what this game's stuff looks like? A question. Go apart. A frame that shows all. What do you mean? I'm sorry. Can you reword that? I don't really understand what you're saying. Can you please reword that for me? I might just be not reading it right or something, but I can't understand it. My brain still can't comprehend that. When touch, show a frame, all server. I still don't understand. A frame to all server? What do you mean by frame? I think frame is what getting me called up. I don't know what you mean by frame. Your fist? Oh, your first game? Oh, a frame that shows all server. I have no clue. If I had, I don't know anything about UI or programming, but if I had any questions, I'd just go, how do I make a UI for all of server the Roblox? And then that, whenever you look it up, usually there's a dev form post, which this is dev form. And if you're new to the website or you're new to making games, this is the best thing to do is look up developer form stuff and stuff like that. If it was something that was something to do with 3D modeling, I likely would know. But since it's not, I genuinely do not know. Only thing I do with the UI is I added gradients. That is the only thing I've done with the UI in this game. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Yes, it is. Yeah, you can join and play, look. There's only one active online right now because it's a school night, and usually people that play this game are underneath the age of 10. Well, I think it might be like 15 under. Either way, all on a school night, so you know the game's like relatively new. It says 1.3, but I think it was created a little bit later than this. I'm not even gonna lie about it. I think this was more along the lines of like 1.14 or so. Game's at least it feels a little bit newer than it is. If it isn't. You mean what is my? Oh yeah, yeah. You're asking what my user. It's actually underneath the studio. Hold up. There you go. Go Studio LLC. Center Stone's reworked. Oh, stop doing this. Oh, and I gotta change the water level. Almost forgot about that. Alright, boys, gonna end the stream here.